So if I create something like, let's say, person with double N, for example. So obviously there is a problem with this file name. As you guys can see, we have a double N. If I run our tool, it will potentially detect that. There we go. So it says that we have a misspelling detected on persons. In the misspelling is persons. Did you mean persons? Persons? Oh my god, I love this so much, man. Mohamed is saying, I just made a pull request with a logo for this. Okay. Wow, not bad. Not bad. What do you guys think? All right, man. Congratulations. That was a very nice contributions, by the way. You guys see how easy it is to contribute to open source? It's literally just open a pull request and that's it. Bam, bam, boom, push. This is ready to go to Packagist, my friends. So I don't know if you know, but Packagist, which is this little thing right here, is what powers Composer. So every time you use Composer require, you are actually pulling a package from this little thing right here. Call it Packagist, okay? Go here, type submit, just put the package link just like that. Click on check, and it just gives me back the information that it just found a package. I'm gonna type submit, and that's done. And I'm going to type Laravel, new Laravel, literally creating a Laravel project from scratch. And I'm going to include Peck and run Peck on this project. I don't know how exactly this is going to behave. Probably we'll have some problems, but I guess we're going to find out real soon. All right, folks, the moment of truth, man. Peck, PHP, Peck. Now got included. So the moment of truth is arriving. We type vendor bin Peck, just like we do with pass or fail or pint, and now we are going to see if it's working. And there we go. We got an answer. It's working, but unfortunately it thinks that HTTP is literally a typo, which is a little bit unfortunate. But you know, if let's rename something. I'm gonna type PHP artisan make model. And I'm going to call a model with for example, let's say cars with double S, for example, okay? Just like this. So if I run my tool now, it should detect that cars is not well written. So vendor bin Peck, and there we go. Okay, I feel like we have a very good foundation. Like this really looks cool. So if I create something like, let's say, person with double N, for example. So obviously there is a problem with this file name. As you guys can see, we have a double N. If I run our tool, Peck, just like that, it will potentially detect that. There we go. So it says that we have a misspelling detected on persons. In the misspelling is persons. Did you mean persons? Persons? Oh my god, I love this so much, man. I want to see like what is the output today if we don't have any problems. Like if I remove cars and if I remove persons, what is currently the output I see on the console? So it's nothing. We definitely need to develop something that will give us back some sort of feedback. I'm gonna go to my default command, and if we don't have any issue, which is right here, we can probably give some feedback to the user. So what I will do here is literally just have this write new line above the if condition. And if the if condition is equals to 0, so if we don't have any issues, what I will do is return success, you know what I mean? And then we can have a placeholder within. So I'm going to return success here, and just below, if we have any problems, I can already safely return a failure at the end, because we know we are going to end up always with problems. So in here, I can have some sort of placeholder for when we don't have issues found. And I'm going to use Termwind again. So I'm going to render just literally using the same output, but also render with the following HTML content. So again, if you haven't heard this, Termwind is literally Tailwind CSS for the console. So I can literally do stuff like mx2, margin bot 1, space in between two elements of 1, bg red, and those kind of things, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I can probably make a better job here. No misspellings found in your project. Just like that. Looks a little bit better. What do you guys think? What do you think this configuration should look like in terms of wording, literally? Usually I just made a great comment. Instead of having two, just have this, ignore, and then have words and then directories inside. You know, could be potentially a good idea, to be fair, but what do you guys think?